explain what the Swedish Chambers of Commerce Indonesia is and what it does?
It's very simple. The Swedish Chamber of Commerce is an organization, a non-profit organization. We have no commercial ties of any way. And we are an organization of Swedish companies and Swedish related companies. So we also have Indonesian companies with strong Swedish ties. And what we are trying to do here is that we are trying to do everything we can to support Indonesia-Swedish business relations. So we are helping Swedish companies to come into the market in Indonesia. We are supporting with knowledge, we're supporting with connections, we're supporting with basically anything they need. And also trying to educate them about what is Indonesia, what is the Indonesian market. And to a large extent, Indonesia has not been very visible in Europe. And we believe that it's time to change that. We have a large market in Indonesia. There's a strong, right now, there are strong ambitions for development in Indonesia in a range of different sectors where Sweden has very, very advanced industry on the international market. And so we should be here as well. And so what the Swedish Chamber is doing is that we are supporting these companies, and which are our members. And we, as an industry organization, we can do this in a different way compared to, for example, the Swedish government, who is acting through the Swedish embassy and Business Sweden and that kind of players as well. So we are a little bit different, but we have a common goal of supporting Swedish industry. But also there's another caveat to the story as well. We are also looking to help Indonesian companies who are interested in Sweden. So we are here as a contact.
Approximately how many companies are currently members of SwedCham?
Well, basically my answer to that will be that we are growing in a chamber right now. And this reflects on the fact that Indonesia is becoming more visible in Europe. And
everything
more and
to
more
us.
Companies in Sweden,
And we attract companies and people who share our passion.
Market.
And what type of businesses do they represent, if you could maybe mention a few?
Well, Sweden has a strong industry in very many different sectors.
Who see the beauty and power in collaboration, making us a green tech hub and the growth engine of Sweden.
With a world-leading automotive cluster, a fast-growing battery industry, soon featuring 2 gigafactories.
We have not really seen before with AI tech companies that are coming out of Sweden.
ICT and life science. More than 60 active test beds, 2 science parks, groundbreaking research and development. You get the picture. It's happening as we speak.
An example is Ebbot, which is working
with care centers. We believe that teamwork is the key to success. We work together to achieve our goals, share our insights and experiences, and celebrate our achievements. We respect each other's diversity and individuality.
Right, so there are several Swedish business here in Indonesia that maybe Indonesian doesn't really know about. Indonesians are very familiar with, let's say, IKEA or the Spotify. But there are also some other things that the Swedish are excel at. Maybe, for example, the Gamma knife. Yeah. It's a Swedish company, correct? Yes. Could you tell us maybe about this hidden high-tech Swedish company that is already in Indonesia, but Indonesia doesn't really know about?
No, it's true. It's very true. I mean, obviously, very often we see the product. We don't always connect that it's specifically a Swedish company behind. The Gamma knife, for example, is an invention from the 1950s in Sweden. And it's marketed today by
the brain is the most quality of life.
Which is obviously very, very successful around the world.
Lexell Gamma Knife radiosurgery is specifically designed to minimize that impact.
And
Lexcel Gamma Knife is providing a gentler, non-invasive alternative to traditional brain surgery and a more targeted approach. The Lexcel Gamma Knife uses 192 precisely focused beams of radiation to treat tumors or other abnormalities in the brain. The radiation beams
and we have a number of companies that are not as visible. We have the mining sector, for example, which is not something that you see as a normal person walking around the streets of Jakarta. But we have a number of companies here with machinery and tools and IT systems and so on. We have another member, just to mention as an example, which is Monitor ERP, which is ERP systems, meaning the complete IT infrastructure for running a manufacturing industry. Logistics, management, customer relations, and so on. So there's so many different companies that are active here. But what we see from the Swedish Chamber of Commerce is that there should be more. And this is our job to try.
Salah satu kota paling hijau di dunia dengan banyak ruang terbuka dan
Swedish companies aware that there's so many possibilities and
IKEA yang dikenal dengan furnitur.
So how long do the chambers has been active here?
This chamber has been active since around the 90s, early 1990s.
Seperti kesehatan dan pendidikan. Swedia juga memiliki pasar tenaga kerja yang sangat terampil, didorong oleh investasi besar dalam pendidikan ini dalam sektor industri dan teknologi.
In 2023 to become the Swedish Chamber.